Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back at home for the time being. I've come back to the UK for about a month or so and I'm staying at my nan's place for a few weeks. I have a few projects I really like to do for her and honestly really love her Sunday lunch. So I'm gonna stay here for a little while and today I'm gonna tackle the bathroom. This is the hallway bathroom and this is the one I love to use because it has a really nice bathtub. It's so relaxing. Well, it should be so relaxing, but this is what it looks like right now. And obviously, as you can see, it needs a little bit of help. Mainly, I just need to declutter and find a good organization system to get this bathroom looking nice and fresh. I'm also going to give it a really good deep clean.
Just popping in with a quick word from today's video sponsor, Ritual. One of the reasons I'm getting this bathroom organised is because I've been focused on creating new routines this year, my night routine being one of them. I've been taking Ritual's daily multivitamins for a while now. I'm almost finished with my second bottle, so when they reached out and asked me if I wanted to try Synbiotic Plus, I thought that would be perfect to add into my routine. Synbiotic Plus is more than a probiotic, it's a 3-in-1 prebiotic, probiotic and postbiotic supplement to help support gut, digestive and immune health. There's no refrigeration needed and these daily capsules have a minty flavour, so I like to take them after I've brushed my teeth. The delayed release capsule is designed to help reach the colon, not the stomach, which is the ideal place for probiotics to survive and grow. If you're looking to add supplements to your daily routine, Ritual make it so easy with their high quality, science-backed products that you can trust. Ritual is offering you 20% off your first month by going to ritual.com/Hermione20 and using my code that's on screen. Check it out in the description below if you want to know a little bit more. And thanks for listening. Back to the video.
So let's jump into it and declutter and clean this bathroom.
My first task in the bathroom was completely declutter all of these shelves, so I put all of the products in a few different boxes based on categories, what I was keeping, what I wasn't keeping. I cleared out anything that was empty or out of date, and this was the start of the journey.
Yes?
Do you want to choose these?
They're not the aesthetic I'm going for. Go on, I'll borrow them.
You can put the stuff into them and then so that I can look at it.
Okay. It's not all gonna go in the bin, I promise.
I know that.
Oh, Nan, hold on, can you take this? Can you put that in Mum's room or somewhere? Thank you.
I have to say, my nan was very good at letting go of things in this bathroom, and I think you'll realise this by the end of the video because the results are amazing.
Okay, 10 minutes in, and I think I've bitten off a little bit more than I can chew, but it will be fine. I bought these boxes from Home Bargains, and can we appreciate how perfectly they fit? At the moment, I'm just putting stuff in categories in the boxes based on who it belongs to. That's my stuff, hair, skincare, etc. I'm wiping everything down because everything was covered in a thick layer of dust, and I realized it's because there's been renovations going on in the house up until very recently. So I'm also going to wash all of the flannels and any of the towels and just fabric things that have been left in here. Once that's all done, I'm going to find somewhere to put the flannels, maybe in one of these boxes, so that they get off of the toilet lid. Really don't think they should live there. Anyway, that's where we're at, so let's continue.
When I got to the top of this unit, I realised that there was this silver tray that really needed a pick-me-up. So I ended up giving it a quick wipe, but that didn't really do it much justice. There was a lot of caked on product and stuff on there. My nan uses this to like corral some of her stuff, and I thought it deserved a bit of a better home, so I did take it downstairs. I got a bit distracted and I used some Silvo on it and cleaned and polished it right up, and now she can use it in her bedroom instead.
That is just a lovely angle of me. You're welcome.
Time to get started on some touch-ups. There wasn't much to DIY in the space as we had everything we needed, but this old cabinet that I painted in a video many years ago wasn't looking too fresh. So I just decided to give a lick of paint to the top of this piece just to tidy it up a little bit and make it look brand new again. Once that was done, I let it dry and I got on to the cleaning.
We're at the halfway mark now. This is what everything's looking like. I have a few things to sort through here, but that's pretty much done. The top of the cabinet has dried, it's looking good. This one is gonna have all of the flannels so that they don't go anywhere near the toilet, and the rest is like medicine and stuff. All sorted. Oh, and this is all the stuff outside the bathroom that I think we can either give away, throw away, or put in other rooms.
As I was cleaning up this bin that had some cleaning supplies in it that was next to the toilet, I realized that this solution wasn't really working. When I started putting it back, I just really didn't like the way it looked. It looked really cluttered and it was stressing me out. I'd seen something in B&M and I decided to go and get it because I thought it would be perfect for storage. I'm just going to pop out and get a couple of things for the bathroom. I've got a short list, just a few things that will spruce it up a little bit for those finishing touches. Sorry I've not been talking much in this vlog. I have been struggling with my allergies, so we're going to be a little quiet today, but let's go shopping. That will make me feel better.
Okay, so I'm back from town. Here's what I picked up. I spent a total of £30 on all of this stuff, and I think that is everything I'm going to spend for this whole organisational makeover. I want to use stuff that we already have, but I did need a few things. I got this storage unit for next to the toilet for all of the cleaning supplies in. I just think it will look a lot tidier. I got a couple of chrome hooks for the back of the door because we need a little bit more space to hang towels. From B&M I got 2 of these amber glass bottles. I'm going to put my shampoo and conditioner in here and label them. And the bath trays that we had were very rusty, so I picked one up from B&M for £4, which I think is a bargain. I think that's going to look a lot more minimal and just make this whole bathroom look a lot more relaxing. So let's get some of these things in place. I got one of these. This might look like a giant toothbrush, and you're not wrong. It's pretty similar to an electric toothbrush, but it is by the Pink Stuff and it's one of their cleaning brushes. And I just need to put some batteries in because I'm gonna test this out and see if we can get in some of the harder to reach areas that I couldn't reach when I was cleaning the other day. Welcome to the bathtub. I'm dying to try this out. I've put the batteries in. Pretty aggressive. The main thing I want to clean is the shower glass and all of the tap and just all of the areas that you can't really clean with the cloth. Because I think they've been neglected over the years. No one uses this bathroom except for me and I've been away, so I think we can give it a good scrub. I might as well use the Pink Stuff because I'm using the brush and I do like this. So let's get cracking. Let's test it on this. I'm going to take just a little bit. This, I think we're going to take out and bleach it. I'm just going to take that off. Oh my god. Ugh. Yikes. slime scale remover for this. You can come back in with the pink stuff afterwards. Before. This is the after. You can still see the pink stuff in there. I'm gonna run the shower and get rid of that, but look how clean it is. Oh, I love it. Why?
For some reason I kept thinking that the shower was one where you pull the tap instead of just twist it, and I kept doing this and it really annoyed me.
Ah! Not again. Damn it. That's come up pretty clean. Sadly, you can see here that someone has added some clear sealant that has just trapped in a load of dirt, and I'm not going to be able to get underneath that, so it's never going to look perfect, but looks a hell of a lot better. And then down here, I've got into all of the corners, but it doesn't look clean because it needs remasticking. We'll see if the tiles come up with a bit of bleach once I've got rid of all of the other chemicals on here. Mix up some bleach and water to do the tiles.
For this mixture, I probably used like 1/3 bleach to 1/2 bleach, and then the rest was water. And then I didn't turn the brush on when I was putting it on the tile grout, just because I didn't want it to splash in my face. And obviously I used a glove to do this and ventilated the space. I just put this on, left it for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then washed it off. And I think it looks okay.
So I think that is as clean as this thing is gonna get. I scrubbed and I scrubbed, and I even ran bleach down this middle channel, which is where some of this debris is hiding. Not perfect, but I think it's like 15 years old, so better. And same with the little end cap thingy. The tile grout looks like 50% better. I do think it needs to be re-grouted at some point, but a few of the stains came out. Sadly, the mastic still has a few stains in it, but you know what? That's where the shampoo bottles go, so it's fine.
With the bathroom completely clean, now it's time to add the final touches and a few things like some new hooks and a new bath tray that just makes this room feel much more usable and a little bit more like a spa than a crusty old bathroom.
Okay, we're at the finish line. The bathroom has been cleaned, decluttered, organized, and styled. So this is what it looks like.
Let me first remind you of the before. This is what the bathroom looked like right at the beginning of this video. Very cluttered, lots of out of date and unusable products that needed to go. It wasn't really the most relaxing place to take a bath, but it will be shortly because this is what it looks like now. Completely clean, tidy and organized. I think my favorite thing in this whole space was the little box that goes down the side of the toilet to keep all of the cleaning products in. And I know the lamp is a bit of an odd choice, but it's a battery operated one and it's quite nice to have in the middle of the night. This feels so much more luxurious and calm, and I'm so glad I got this done. It's one project ticked off my list that I really wanted to do for Nan.
I am really pleased with how this turned out. I think it looks so calm and relaxing now. It feels like a completely different bathroom, and I'm really pleased that I could give it a good deep clean as well. that is everything for today's video. Don't forget, check out my TikTok, check out my Instagram if you'd like as well, subscribe if you haven't. My arms are hurting, so I'm gonna cut this short and I will see you next time. Take care, bye.